So how should you find keywords for your listings? Here are some suggestions. First off, use your head. Think about the kind of keywords which are related to your product. Look at Amazon's autocomplete feature. If we do a search for example, Sophie the Giraffe, we can see all the different keywords that Amazon is associating with Sophie the Giraffe. So these are different products, so teether, gift set, book, etc. Related items on the Amazon product listing page and also competitor products are a good source of inspiration for keywords. If we look at an Amazon listing page, on every page there is a list of products related to this item, and you can find keywords from these. This will also give you a source of competitor products to inspect. Finally, there are commercially available keyword research tools which focus specifically on Amazon. An example of a free Amazon keyword research tool is Sonar, which is made by the same people who have developed the Amazon Sellics software product. If we type in a keyword, it will give us a list of popular keywords related to that product, including their search volume. And this list of keywords can then be downloaded. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.